Okay, please don't judge. Okay, if you are that type of person that you don't want to see this all this poor side and different side of Africa, please leave the video. You can go somewhere else. Okay, you can watch some other fancy places, Europe or London, and big houses or some castle. If you are staying here, please don't judge. Be with an open heart. Okay, let's see what happens. Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maputo Malu. Today, I was traveling from one of the interiors inside the Mozambique. I was just passing by. I saw a lot of lemons and all those things. I thought why not to stop and ask for some lemons? We use lemon in most of the dishes. Not most of the dishes, some of the dishes. So I thought I'll just get in, I'll ask for some lemon and let me see how they react, all those things. They say the rich people are not good with the hearts, the poor are good with the hearts. Okay, let me see how good they are. Okay, will they really help us and will they interact properly or not? All those things I'll just see. I'll just go, I'll see. Okay, it's middle of nowhere. I don't know which place is this. Okay, it's somewhere in middle. There's nothing nearby, there's nothing close by, but there's lemons. So fam, as you can see, there's nothing in this place. It's like empty land. So I was just coming, I see some houses over there. Let's get that side. Okay, it's small houses. Okay, let me get over there and see what's there. So fam, the first thing is those who are watching the video, please don't judge these people by their house or their dressing, all those things. Okay, because you might be having big houses but you might not be having a good heart. So these people will definitely have a good heart and I'm sure that they will definitely give me lemons. Let's see. Okay, please don't judge. Okay, if you are that type of person that you don't want to see all this poor side and different side of Africa, please leave the video. You can go somewhere else. Okay, you can watch some other fancy places, Europe or London, and big houses or some castle. If you are staying here, please don't judge. Be with an open heart. Okay, let's see what happens. So I'm getting through here. Okay, the small houses over there. Let's see. Let's get inside. Okay, there are in the roadside also it's there, but let's get inside. Then only we'll come to know the real truth. The truth. Okay, so let's start. So fam, this is the route. I saw small houses inside, so I thought I'll just go there. I'll see what's happening. Okay. Hello, bom dia. Como está? Como te chama? Okay. Oscar. Okay, so fam, his name is Oscar. I didn't get the full name. Okay. Possible Poco Limao Tira. Can you? See, he just said no problem. He told come. Okay, so I just asked him some lemons and he told to come. Okay, so let's go there. Okay. Yeah. Bon dia. So fam, as you can see, this is the lemon tree. Okay, this is the lemon tree, and this is also a lemon. The Mozambican lemons are like this. Okay, I think it's lemon or orange. I think it's orange tree. Okay. Music is a major part in Mozambique. As you can hear the musics. So fam, before we getting in, he told us, yeah, you can definitely come, all these things. So before getting in, I want to know who all is there in this family, what does he do, all these things. I just want to know, curious enough. That's it. Oscar, quantas pessoas casa? Irmão? Dois irmãos. And pai e mãe. Okay. So there's 10 people in this house. Okay, they have brothers and sisters and his father and mom. They are there. First of all, dentro familiar or no. Okay, he doesn't work like that. Over here, the employment opportunity is very less. Even if they are educated enough, it's difficult to get a job for them. He's not working right now. Okay, but no, fine. A person go there. So we are just getting in. So fam, I was just traveling and I was just walking and I saw this thing. This is the avocado tree. Okay, this is the avocado. You people might be having avocado, eating avocado buying from supermarket, but I directly found a tree over here. As you can see, they have coconuts, they have small houses, lemons. Lemon is very quite famous over here. And this is an avocado tree. Tree is so greenish. Yeah, I'm just getting in like deeper into deep inside. As I was walking, I just asked him, what is this, like, is this a house or something? So he told, no, it's a washroom. It's known as Casa di Pano over here. This is the washroom over here, this place. And we are still walking. It's like somewhere deep inside. Yeah, as you can see, this is also for a different house. This is the washroom. So they have separate washroom. I see lemons over here. This is a lemon tree. As you can see, this is a lemon tree. I don't know how deep I have gone. I don't know this place. So if I'm just still walking. I see a lot of lemons over here. Like even Mozambicans use a lot of lemons in their major food. Okay, as I told like yesterday, the last video what I had. Oh, this is a type of peri peri. I don't know if it's visible in the camera. In my language, it's known as kandari. Okay, it's damn peri peri. It's kandari. Like I don't know in English. I'll search and if I get, I'll put it. So this is a peri peri. Like it's very spicy. It's more spicy than the other thing. Others peri peri. I think is it clear or not? This is how it is. This is a sugarcane tree. Okay. So let me ask like if I can go and take some lemons from here. Yeah, they have lemons over here. So Oscar is plucking lemons for me. Muito obrigado. Yeah, so I was not able to film the earlier one. He has given a lot of lemons. Okay, I'll just go. I'll show you how much lemons we have got in the car. Okay, because like I was not able to carry like this, so I asked my driver to carry the lemons. In the car, I'll show you how much lemon is there. This is the second trip what I have come. In between, I was not able to film, but I'll show you all the lemons. Okay, and do you know something? He didn't even say a single word. Like you can see smile in his face throughout. Okay, and he didn't even say a single word that no or like something. I didn't see a rude face or something from his side. Can you see such people in the city or the people who's watching this video? Can you see such people anywhere right now? Their houses might be small, but the heart what is there inside is like the biggest thing. Okay, he didn't even ask for a single penny till now. He didn't ask, not till now, like he didn't ask for a single penny. He just gave me for free. But I'll not take it for free because he has done so much. Like I will definitely give him some cash. But this is what is expecting from you all. Like this is how it should be, right? Okay, but really thanks, muito obrigado, Oscar.
Obrigado por estar. Pode voltar sempre.
Muito obrigado. Muito obrigado, Oscar. Muito obrigado. Okay. So far, I'm really thankful to Oscar. Okay, and as you have seen, like these people are with the good hearts over here. Okay, the local Mozambique. This is the true Mozambique. If you're visiting Mozambique, come to these people, not in the city or all those things. Come to these people, visit them. They'll be definitely be very happy. And he has called me for the next time. Like whenever you travel, you can come stay with him or all those things. And I'll definitely do that in the future. But you can see like I have so much lemons over here. My motorist has taken so much lemons in his car. So I'll just show you all those things. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay. So, muito obrigado, Oscar. Okay, ciao.
Ciao.
Okay, até outro dia.
Tá bom.
Okay. I see small cuties, beautiful cuties over here. Hola. They're shy, camera shy. So, fam. Oscar had given so much lemons that we were not able to carry and we were not able to shoot. He has given so much lemons. Can you imagine? He has given so much lemons only because of his good heart. And these Mozambicans are like this. Like, just look at this, how much lemons he has given us. Okay, so I was not able to film that taking all those things because it was difficult to film and get the lemons. Finally, before winding up the video, I just want to say you something. Okay, leave your egos, leave your attitudes. Okay, for what you're living with all this. Okay, see this good heart of these people. Okay, they didn't expect anything from us. I just asked, can I have some lemons? And he told, okay, come. And he gave us a lot of lemons. And as you can see, like there was a lot of lemons. And just leave like that. Okay, I'm not telling you to give something for free, but don't have this attitude, ego that you're something, all those things. Okay, good heart matters a lot. And Mozambicans do have a good heart and good soul. That's it, winding off.